Aloo samosa. Welcome to my channel. Let's make delicious aloo samosa in different style. To make samosa, we will boil aloo and mash it. Add finely chopped green chilies and salt and mix spices. Mix and mash the shallots well and mix the spices well. Put oil in a pan and lightly fry it and the potatoes. Now we will make the dough for the samosas. Now take the flour in a bowl and add salt, celery, and oil. Mix the flour well and leave it for some time. Now to make the samosa, we will make it into a circle shape. Now put the potatoes in it and cover it well. Now cut it from the middle and make it into 4. To fry samosas, add oil to a pan and let it heat on medium flame. And fry them well on both sides. When fried well, take them out in a plate. Samosas are ready to eat. Make delicious in different taste and different style. Thanks for watching.